promised y'all a physique update, so I thought, you know what, why not do it in this video? Oh my gosh, my hair's really frizzy. It's okay. I have to take this hair tie off. Wow. Okay, wait, I don't know how to start it. What do you think? Good morning, guys! Welcome to another video. We got Nabil in the house. Nabil, you gotta show yourself, because if not, it's awkward. Stop it! So Nabil, he does all of Christian's videos, majority of them, and he's really, really good. And Christian is in Atlanta today, so I get to steal Christian's guy to do a video today. I'm super excited. I already had a little bit of a breakfast, but I'm gonna make us a little brunch. It's pancakes. They're very high in protein pancakes. Like, I'll make them because they're really good. And then Lex is bringing Chipotle, so we have a lot of food to eat. I'm not the most extra person ever. Look how cute this looks. Okay, so before we start cooking, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some power cakes. High in protein pancakes, whatever. We are going to mix a little bit of cinnamon French toast, 1-up nutrition with some water to make a frosting to go on top. All you do is just take the protein, put a little bit of water in there, and it actually makes, ooh, it makes a frosting. You guys have probably seen me do this a ton of times, and you're like, Heidi, we're so tired of you making this stupid protein frosting. Delicious. So there you go. And then you just sprinkle a little bit of granola on top. So the grapefruit is just for show and eating. Boom. Pancakes, bruh. It's not done yet. Sorry, I'm texting Bae. You look so handsome. Look at. Can you see it with my crack screen? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Delicious. These pancakes, super delicious. This stupid protein fluff. I made protein fluff. You guys saw it in the last video, and it was
great.
Fantastic. Nabil only ate it because I was so sad about it. Nabil, they're not ready to flip yet. Super sick pancakes, guys. Who makes the sickest pancakes? Me. Nabil does this thing where he does this all the time. Like, I'll look over, I'm like, stop doing that. First of all, doesn't this mean I love you? It does.
Does it?
Yes! I just realized that you've been doing this the whole time, but he does it to everyone. It's I love you.
I didn't know that.
You should just do this one. He's like, rock on. You still have your thumb in there, stop. Wow, wow. Da, 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 da. What if I mess this up? Wait. Wow, look how freaking good that looks. Stop it, okay now. Ta-da! Breakfast, guys. This is super high in protein because you got your Kodiak cakes, you got straight up protein, whey protein, and then this is actually protein granola that I get at the store. High protein pancakes. Okay, we're gonna try a bite. Wow. Wow! Try that. Are those the sickest pancakes you've ever had?
Sickest
so good,
pancakes.
right? Hey, bruh. Chipotle's coming. Get in that. Be jealous of my dance moves. Oh crap, the pancake. Oh no. Oh no! Those classified as burnt. We'll give those to Lexi. How are you? Oh man, we just made pancakes too. Pancake? Okay, we get to try this. Because Lexi will say if it's gross.
Is that the fluff?
No. Oh. Okay? The fluff was gross, everyone knows. It's good, right? It's Kodiak pancakes with protein frosting and granola. It's what flavor? Cinnamon French toast?
And the granola, that's like super textured. And the grapefruit.
And the grapefruit. And we have to eat Chipotle.
And I got chips.
Chip? You got chips? Look at this deliciousness. All right guys, so my next food, 10 minutes later, eating some Chipotle. I have rice, chicken, black beans, fresh lettuce, and a little bit of cheese. I didn't do sour cream like I wanted to because I'm on a diet. Because Nabil is shooting some super sick 1-up content for me. I need to look shredded. Give me some chips. Oh wow, this is real good. Wow, Chipotle is real good today. Chipotle has good days and bad days. Like there's some days where I'm like, eh. And there's some days like this where it's like, wow. This is why I don't eat on camera. Am I a cute eater? Nabil smells like, what's it called? Fierce. Fierce. Right? Smooth. Look at this stash I have in here. Look at my little, y'all never seen my stash? So first of all, I'm so excited. Nabil's filming, so it's like cool to think the things I don't think about. So this is my 1-up stash, right? I have all my protein, my BCAAs, my pre-workout, my pure rebuild, my vegan red and greens. I can't take this because I can't have fruits, but Lexi tried it and you loved it. Someone was like, oh, I just took a shot of it and it did not taste very good. I'm like, it's not bad if you just take it on its own. But it could be better if it's in a smoothie. Has this many butter bottles on Amazon. But Christian the other day took me on a surprise date. He was like, Heidi, the museum is having this event. It's like special exhibit, natural ways to die. And I just think that you'd really like to go, and I did. You don't have to watch out for, you know, guns and cars and bikes. You gotta watch out for plants, for insects, for ants, for all these deadly creatures. And cherry pits.
Why cherry pits?
Because they contain, what's it called?
Arsenic.
Arsenic. They contain arsenic. Who would have thought? And apple seeds. They were like, if you were trying to commit a murder, you just have to grind up a bunch of cherry pits, sprinkle it on someone. That's terrible. I'm the gift shopper. I love to go in gift shops. Look, it's a pie slicer. It's so cute. I hope you run into a pole. I promised y'all a physique update, so I thought, you know what, why not do it in this video? It's a perfect video to do it. And I needed a video title, so there you go. Physique update. This is my physique right now. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. My current weight right now is like 110 to 113, kind of depending on the day. So 110 and a half. I am kind of dieting right now because I am trying to get pretty lean-ish for Nabil's awesome 1-up shots that we're doing later this week. So a while ago, y'all knew that I was doing Girly Gains, which was like a little over a year ago, about a year ago. It was fun and it was good, but honestly, I kind of stopped because I realized that gaining lean mass takes a long time. So this is over a year's worth of training really hard and eating really well, pretty well. But I'm really happy with the size that I put on. When I used to compete, I'm not saying that I'm never gonna compete again, but I usually stepped on stage at like 95 pounds, and right now I'm like 110 and a half. So that's like 15 pounds over my stage weight, but it's like impossible to like maintain your stage weight anyway. Anyways, I'm just really happy with the physique that I'm at right now. Legs are good. I have definitely built some more on my legs and glutes. Abs are not there like they used to be, but with the right lighting, I still have some lines, which I'm happy with. Can you see some, turn this way, can you see abs?
Yeah.
Okay. And then upper body, I feel like I have put on some on my upper body, but that's just because that's usually where my weight goes, is my upper body. But yeah, so currently 110, still short, 411 and a half, and I have made a lot of progress over the last year or so. Am I gonna compete again? Who knows? I don't know, maybe not. I don't think I would do NPC again, but who knows? You never know. Yeah, that's my physique update. I like just being like overall fit and healthy and training for life. Bunny out. Bye. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I lost my voice a little bit because I have allergies, but last night we ended up going to Austin and I didn't film anything because I was like, I just want to enjoy a night out with my friends and not worry about like filming and getting sick edits, you know, and I wanted to be able to have fun. We celebrated Lexi's birthday last night. I wore some awesome walking boots.
This is made for walking.
Yep, they were definitely my walk-in slash shuffling boots. But we're gonna go to the farmer's market and pick up a few things. Christian is getting in from Atlanta in a little bit, so I'm excited to see him. I miss him already. I'm annoying. We got some dollar bills, yo, to spend at the farmer's market. Check this out. I'm gonna buy all the things at the farmer's market. Hi.
Oh, relax. He gets so excited.
Hi.
Yeah,
Can I get the coconut vegan? Thank you. Super sick. Those are the best pasta I've ever had. Should I get one for Christian? I'll do one more. Let's see. Oh, we are gonna cook. Can I get some basil, please?
certainly.
Weird question. Are you Buffbunny?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Selena. Nice to meet you.
We're in Sample Town, guys. Can we get a pickle on a stick, please?
Absolutely.
You know when you're in Texas when you get pickles on a stick. Wow. I showered. Try it. Get in there, Nabil. I need to get something. Alright guys, successful haul at the farmer's market. Let me show you what I got real quick. Fresh basil. Wow, it's still attached to the root. That's pretty cool. Wait, am I supposed to plant this or eat this? So that's why he put it upright. Okay, we're just gonna... Second thing I got was some gluten-free pasta. I got one for me, Christian, and Nabil. I love this pasta. I've shown it on my channel before. They have regular wheat pasta, but I got us all some gluten-free one because you know what? It's delicious. Right. Yep, really good. Next thing I got was some fresh kale. I'm gonna try to make some kale chips for the guys. I got some fresh strawberries for Christian and Nabil. I got some kombucha. This is white jasmine. What is it? Jasmine hibiscus. It's my favorite. Some gluten-free rice pudding. It's a vegan rice pudding. I just got the regular basic one, and then Nabil got almond vegan. Mine's just coconut. Is that it? Oh, they got laundry soap. I feel like we got so much more. Oh, we got a pickle on a stick too before we ate that. This is a laundry detergent. It's all natural. And that's it. Okay, so we didn't end the video yet. I actually did a little meal prep real quick. I was like, I'm just gonna chill for the next hour or so, but I didn't end up chilling. I just ended up cooking all this stuff. Check it out. I got lemon pepper chicken, and I put the basil from the farmer's market on there. I made some fresh kale chips. These are actually really good. You guys are gonna love them. I made some garlic, salt, pepper, extra lean ground beef. It's 96.4. This is more for Christian. I try not to eat a whole lot of red meat. And then I made some fresh rice. Ta-da! If you guys don't have one of these rice cookers, I highly recommend them because for some reason, like the other ones, it's just not the same. And this one keeps it warm for 4 days. So I got one of these for Christian's mom, and she's like, I don't know how I've lived this long without it because it's amazing. Oh, that's it. That's all I did. It's just like a little mini meal prep, guys. Meal prep's done. I'm gonna make some popsicles as well so we can have a little something, you know, a little dessert. First what I'm gonna do is doing a coconut ice cream. Discount code Buffbunny, no big deal. If you want delicious popsicles, use my code. Putting some pineapple chunks in here. So what I did is put a half scoop, protein, some water. So this is gonna be a pina colada.
A what? What's a pina?
Pineapple.
No, you call it a pina colada.
Wow. So this to the top. No.
Oh wow.
Dang it. And if you want something super diet, like what Christian's doing right now, this is 0 calories, 0 everything in here. The hardcore dieters. If you want something a little creamier, a little bit more fun, we got some Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. Wow, this is a really small opening. Bill, you better eat this one. Ta-da! Okay, next up we have some BCAA popsicles, which I actually do really like these. This is the candy watermelon flavor from 1UP, and then I'm just gonna drop in some blueberries in there to spice it up, because these BCAAs have no calories, no carbs, no sugars, no nothing in it. It's perfect for after workout because it's got, you know, your BCAAs, we're covering it. And then blueberries have antioxidants in them, so wow, that was super cool. We got a drifter. Wow, that looks really cool, right? I have to go pick up Christian. I'm gonna be late. Bye! This is a dangerous intersection. Gotta go get him. Oh, there he is.
What's in your head?
Something living in it. Hey.
I didn't even know whose vlog it is now.
Yeah.
But then Christian gets back and is like, oh my gosh, he sees Nabil with the camera. He's like, oh, it's my turn. It's my vlog. I'm like, go, I'm not done.
I need to thank my girlfriend for making all this beautiful food.
Remember when you told YouTube that I never cook for you?
I think this could be the first time.
No, I've helped you meal prep.
last year's summer shredding video where we meal prepped.
Sometimes I warm up your bite meals.
Those kale chips are delicious.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the vlog, so hope you guys liked it. Leave some feedback below if you guys like it when Nabil films me, or if you guys prefer me filming, or if it's good to just kind of switch it up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna give Nabil back to Christian now. Bye guys. Alright babe, it's now officially swapped over to you.
I'm so tired.
You're still